Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to remove facial verification in the Binance app using the passkeys settings. This can be useful if you no longer want to use Face ID or a saved passkey, or if you're switching devices. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu icon. In the menu that opens, tap on your nickname at the top of the screen. This will take you to your account settings page. Now find the Security section and open it. Inside Security, look for the Passkeys option and tap it. Here you'll see a list of all the passkeys you've added to your Binance account. Find the passkey that corresponds to facial verification, then tap the Delete or Trash icon next to it. Before you confirm, read the warning carefully. For security reasons, Binance may temporarily restrict withdrawals and P2P transactions for up to 24 hours after you remove a passkey. If you're okay with that, confirm the deletion. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.